welcome back to my channel. It's amzolinek, and today I'm bringing you another natural hair video showing you guys how I make my homemade deep conditioner for my natural 4C hair. This is so rich and moisturizing, amazing deep conditioner. So guys, my hair is dry and crisp right now, but this conditioner is going to make the difference, guys. So deep conditioning is so vital for natural hair growth. The following is what I will be using for this conditioner. Aloe vera conditions and nourishes hair and scalp, prevents dandruff and issues, moisturize and also add sleep to your hair. Bananas are great for beautiful hair growth. They contain vitamin A, B, E and amino acids. They restore split ends and also add sleep to your hair. Avocados are amazing for hair growth. They are high in vitamin B and E. They protect and strengthen your hair. They repair damage on scalp. They moisturize and also promote healthy hair growth. Moisture is a very important aspect of natural hair growth, which is where honey plays its role. Honey is a great humectant. It softens and also attracts moisture from the atmosphere to your hair. Speaking of oils, avocado oil is rich in minerals, antioxidants, vitamin A, E, and B5 and also biotin. It moisturizes your scalp and repair damaged hair. Olive oil moisturizes, penetrates your hair strands and scalp and also treats dandruff. Coconut oil is an amazing moisturizer. It penetrates, strengthens your hair strands and also leaves your hair soft and shiny. Next are essential oils. Tea tree oil soothes itchiness and fights dry scalp. It helps in new hair growth and also contains antiseptic properties. Peppermint oil helps with blood circulation, reduces scalp irritation and hair loss, contains menthol and omega-3 fatty acids. Lastly, you can use any of your favorite conditioners. I am using the Coconut Miracle from OGX. So now that you know some of the benefits of these ingredients, let's get started. First, peel the banana and avocado and add it into the blender. Next, slice your aloe vera into chunks and extract the jelly parts from the plant. Aloe vera is very slippery in nature, so be careful when you handle the knife. Alright, so now it's time to blend everything. Add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, This is optional. I'm adding 5 drops of each of my essential oils. I added about 2 tablespoons of honey. Now this part is important. Make sure you sieve your blended ingredients. Otherwise, you're going to be having chunks of bananas or avocados into your hair after washing it. Then I use a hand mixer to mix everything nice and smooth. Look at how good that looks. It almost looks like food. Well, it is food, but for my hair, right? But honestly, it does look like some kind of dessert. Looks so appetizing. Like, my hair loves this, guys. You got to try it. Next, I hop into the shower and shampoo my hair with my Coconut Miracle Oil shampoo from OGX. If you haven't seen my wash day routine, I will link it right here. Go check it out. So now I've finished washing my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my deep conditioner. And guys, excuse the ashy skin right now because I just came out of the shower and looking all ashy, no lotion on, but we're gonna glow up later on, okay? Like, okay. Girl, just look at how my hair is eating up all that deep conditioner, and my hair is looking luscious already, just few seconds into application. I was looking super tired, guys. It takes so much to record these videos, so I will really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I just went ahead and threw on some shower cap plastic bag. It just had double layers, and of course my bonnet. So usually I will use a blow dryer or sit under a heated dryer, but today I'm just going to work out so that my body will produce heat naturally for about 30 minutes, and bam! Now I'm going to rinse out my deep conditioner. My hair feels so strengthened and super soft. It's just amazing. So guys, that's my hair 4 days afterwards. My hair looks so soft, shiny and moisturized. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.